How to buy Shiba Inu token. So this token came under the symbol of Shiba. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. Now as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 13 days ago. And as you can see, this token is ranked number 3 in the base section. Now to be able to buy this token, what you need to do, just click here to copy the token address and open your Bitget wallet. For that, as you can see, now go to your wallet and from the top right corner, click here and make sure to select the base network. After that, click on this plus icon. Now paste the token address in the search bar. And as you can see, this outcome, click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and keep searching until you find your token that you just added called Shiba. So after you find it, what you need to do, as you can see, now click on it. Now click on here on swap, switch from here, and from the top select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT. And now you can type how much you want to buy like that. And this is how much you will be able to receive that token, as you can see. And after that, click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy Shiba token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.